Hello students, welcome to drawing and craft class. Today we are going to complete this robot, a craft work. In the previous class we have done the folding of this legs and hands. Okay, this size of this leg is 2 by 20 centimeter and the size of this hands is 1.5 by 20 centimeter. You can increase or decrease the size as required by your size of the body and head. The size which I have given for body is 6 by 5.5 centimeter. The size of this body is 6 by 5.5 centimeter and the size of the head is 3 by 3 centimeter. Okay, here students. Now let's start the pasting work of hands and legs. First we are going to paste this using double-sided tape. Here double-sided tape I'm going to use these double-sided tape. First what you are going to do, take the layer out of this double-sided tape and stick this here. Next tape again. This one. Now do it on the other. Here this way. Okay, now start the pasting of hands on its body. Apply this over here and then paste the hands this way. Okay, like this. So we remove the layer of double-sided tape. This is how pasted the layers of double-sided tape. Okay, now let's paste the next portion. In this we'll need only 2 double-sided tape. Okay. Paste this here and push little bit so that it sticks well. Same way in hands also, as this is coming out. Okay, push a little bit so that it sticks properly there. Okay, this done this much. Now we are going to put its antenna over it. Okay, how we are going to make the antennas? You all know this is paper clips. I'm having these colored paper clips, so I'm going to make antenna with these paper clips. See, first I'm going to open them. It's very easy to open these paper clips. You just need to apply very little force, not much, and make it straight like this. And take anything, you can take brush, okay, brush back portion, and then leave some portion at top, and then make it round, round, and round again. Here, this way. Move it up. See? Done? Same way with this. Here, this way. Now take it out. It is very easy to move. Here I have done. Now see children, if you do not have paper clips, so you can use these gift thread जो हमारे गिफ्ट्स पे बंधे हुए आते हैं ना, जिसमें छोटा सा वायर होता है अंदर, एंड उसके ऊपर ये गोल्डन रैप होता है. ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज. और इसको हम ऐसे से रैप भी राउंड राउंड करके दिस वे, एंड इट इज वेरी इजी. How we can do the roll. And there is one more thing, this wire जिस पर हमारे केबल्स बंधे हुए आते हैं. You all must have seen this type of wire जिसमें केबल्स टाई होकर आती हैं. Okay, this also you can use. इसको आप हाफ कर लें, then you can use this. Okay, और इसको ऐसे ही हम स्पंज में लगा सकते हैं. Okay. Now I'm going to apply this paper clip head पर. You have to adjust a little bit. Okay, I have inserted here at the top of his head. Now it will not move out. That's antenna. Okay. After pasting this, we need a googly eyes, small googly eyes. Now let's paste googly eyes here. Center, we'll put a nose. Now this one, this is cotton only. I'll show you how I have made this, like this. Okay. These two ears made with cotton only. And paste this side same way. Apply cotton to this and paste its ear portion. Yeah, this way. Now I'll show you how I have made this nose part. See, this is white cotton. Now take small part of this cotton, okay, and roll it with your hand. This way. See, done. Now what I have done, I have used red sketch pen and done the color on this. Yeah, this way I've done the coloring work, and then again roll it with very light hand, okay, and do somewhat with fingers also this way. See, done. Nose part done. Okay, nose, ears, I have made it this way only. Okay, if it is not pasting it properly, what you can do, you can put all pins also. Here are the all pins. You can put all pins. Okay. To secure the hands and legs so that it doesn't move out. Okay. But be careful while applying, while using this all pins. Okay, children, take help from your parents. Okay, first I have pasted this with double-sided tape. Then now I am doing it with all pins. Children, be careful while working with all pins. Okay, now let's paste it here also, down portion. Now here we have completed a robot. This way you will do your work and paste this robot in your sketch copies. Okay. Now let's paste this. Paste it in the center here, this way. See children, for this robot's antenna, what else you can do? You can take sheet, this thin stripe of sheet, and then how you're going to fold it? Fold it this way, then this way. Like we make paper fan, same way we have to fold here, this way, then going this way and this way, and then from downwards here fold it little bit, and then see like this. Then for its head you can paste its head portion, antenna portion this way. Okay. Okay, this way also you can make its you have to be very patient while working with this antenna because it doesn't gets spaced easily. Okay, you have to be very patient while working with this paper antenna. Okay, here this way you have to work. Same way you can make this with this other thin sheet antenna, folding it in this way by like this, the way you folded a paper fan. Okay, this way, and then here, then you can apply. Besides, if you do not have this type of you have to patiently wait till it sticks on it. Okay, or you can paste this double-sided tape also. Okay, this way. Instead of putting this paper clip, you can paste this paper antenna also. Clear, children? Now you're going to do this work in your sketch files. Okay, this craft work we have completed, robot, folding method. This is your activity and you have to paste this in your sketch files. Now I'll see you in next class. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.